How to correctly add Sapphire plugin in Adobe After Effects. So to do this, first of all, we have to download the installer. So you have to go to the official Boris FX website and navigate to the Sapphire product page here, which you can see over your screen, right? So let's just go and click on here. Just go to Google and search for this specific word, you will get it. Now, of course, it's a paid, but you can always go for the free trial here. Now, this is, we will just go and click on download free trial because yeah, so this is how we can do this. And once we download the appropriate installer for the operating system, right, it's downloaded. So this is a zip file, and locate the downloader installer file, double click on it to run it. But before running it, so let me just open the file here. So it's here. We have to extract this file, so right click on it and then click on extract all, select the location, and here it will just get extracted. Now this is it. Now we have to run this installer, right? So it will ask for a permission here. You have to click on yes, right? And do you want to install Boris FX Hub? You have to just go and click on yes again. Now it will extract the file and the installer will be come up here. So let me just cancel it up because I already did it. Now once I do it, right, once you have it, open After Effects and create a new composition. Navigate to the effects menu and look for a Sapphire. If you install correctly, you will see a list of available Sapphire effects, right? And this is how you can do this. So it's really easy thing to do. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.